Okay, getting ready to do the e-brake cables. Didn't notice, e-brake's not on. Car is neutral. And I can't even move that by hand, one hand at least. Yeah. It's not even hooked up, so. Yeah, so we'll get that done. Or disconnect it completely from the back and see what happens. Okay. Well, Scotty used to have one of these cars. I always look at the cables like I'm confused and lost. He comes over, he goes, well, try this, try that. Nope. So he unbolts the, what was just the main bracket down there?
One of the main holding brackets that goes for the cable to here, because it's pulling, because the main cable that goes all the way through to the handle.
You want to show, Xander? Grab the handle. So we got to figure out what's going on between there.
And then put her back down again?
Yeah, it's down.
Okay. Pull her back up.
Well, that seems like it's...
Okay, put her back down.
Huh. So yeah, so now I can move this one-handed. Yay! That might have been our little, like how the brake pedal all of a sudden feels weird sometimes and sometimes not.
Could it be that?
Well,
Oh, look at that magic.
yeah.
Okay, so it's the front cable, 100%. Well, the front cable, unfortunately, goes from inside the car all the way through here, all the way over.
Yeah, it's a long one. But he got 3 cables, so it...
Well, the only problem is now that that's been pulled, I can't get this apart. So I need to try and find a way.
To what? Well, hold on. Well, how about we just disconnect it from the... You were talking about...
There's too much tension on this now. You won't be able to do it.
Well, I don't know. There was tension on it all the time, so... You got me on that. So, well, we'll keep on digging.
So...
Ooh, hey, losing nuts.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so I see what it does. Okay, so there is one for each side, the short ones. He needs to get the one that goes from the handle. From the handle.
So if you want to put the nut on this bracket from this side.
Because he's already got this side completely apart. Sweet. So, which is going to be... Shut up.
Okay, there we go.
Which is these guys.
All right, Nick, come here.
Hold on.
Oh no, it is broken off. It's the...
Okay, so this little bracket right here.
Mm-hmm. Clip somewhere up that way.
Okay, so it slides on here.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you come here real quick, it hooks on the shielding
Right there.
right here.
Okay, perfect.
So I'm gonna pop that back in place so we don't lose it, because that's...
So we need this cable here. This is the cable we need. We have this one for this side. Oh. Hold on.
Okay, so give me a second. Pull the handle.
No, it doesn't. I think this, honestly,
Are you getting anything?
no. I think
now
it's...
Hold on. Am I pulling that handle?
Nope, I can hear it.
We need to disassemble the interior to pull the e-brake,
To see what's broken.
because if I'm 100% correct, it may need a new e-brake handle. Because the connection that goes to the e-brake handle, watch this, Bobby. Pull
Listen.
the handle up.
Do you want me to film while you do that?
Pull the handle up and leave it up. All right, ready?
Like, I don't even feel it clicking. You know, when you pull them up, they click.
Yeah.
I don't even feel that.
Yeah, the button on it is useless. There's no...
Yeah,
So
it's
You don't feel them through the membrane?
No, because he's not insane.
Insane in the membrane. I'm insane.
So-
Got no brain.
Okay, and Nick, real quick.
Nick, real
when
quick.
you go to put this back in, this has to be in that bracket.
Yeah. Why
So
can't
great, not a problem.
would it stay right there right now? Because obviously we got to tear that other part apart to see what we actually
Yep.
need. So, but yeah,
Which cable do you have?
it's either side, I believe.
Um,
The same part number.
Hold on.
from the looks of it, yes, this is going to be a rear. So we need another rear.
You have it.
Invoice.
So you don't have to check the
Body
invoice.
patch.
When you match everything, everything's the same. Except one's an AC Delco. That's the only difference.
Standard, usual.
Did you give standard? What? What?
Anyways,
Okay,
all right.
so we need the front brake cable. I'm sorry, the front e-brake cable.
Well, we got to tear it apart and see what's
Yeah,
actually
and
broken.
we need to disassemble the e-brake inside the car to figure out what is going on.
Yep.
But from the looks of it, something's broken inside.
But definitely move that a lot easier because I couldn't do that one-handed before.
Yeah.
So, okay, well,
You're used to doing things one-handed, though.
we will discuss this and figure it out.